guys, welcome back to my channel. Happy 2021. I hope it's a good one this time. And here's my New Year's Eve makeup tutorial. So I started by priming my eyelids with a concealer. This is the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define in shade C2. And you're gonna see me blending with the fingers because I just find it easier that way. Then I'm gonna take a black eyeliner that I'm gonna apply in the outer corner and inner corner of my eyelid, leaving the middle empty. Make sure you have a really creamy eyeliner for this makeup look because you want to make sure it's easier to blend. Here I'm taking a small blending brush and I start blending the eyeliner. I know it looks really weird and messy, but I promise it's gonna look good in the end. So don't be scared of the process, literally just go and blend that, just blend. Then I'm gonna take shade Rosso from my Beautonomy palette that I'm gonna link in the description. And again, I'm gonna put this color in the crease, making sure I'm blending the eyeliner with it. With the same small brush, I'm gonna take Dark Nights, the black eyeshadow from my palette, and I'm gonna put it over the eyeliner just to make sure I darken it even more, because after blending, the eyeliner goes a bit more grayish and I don't want that. After that, I'm going back with the blending brush, again with shade Rosso, but soon you're gonna see me using another shade for blending because I just wanna make sure it's all nice and clean. And this is why I'm using Cloud 9, the white matte shade from my palette. It's usually my way of cleaning an eyeshadow. From the empty space I left in the middle of my eyelid, I'm gonna use Orion. It's such a beautiful eyeshadow. It's really sparkly, it has a bit of purple in it, and my favorite way of applying it is with my finger. I just find it easier. And then to make sure I blend that with the black eyeshadow, I'm using Grey from my palette and blend them together. After that, I'm just gonna clean under the makeup to be ready for the face makeup, but not before applying Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb in How Many Carats in my inner corner. And then I'm gonna go with the black eyeliner on my waterline. For my face, I'm gonna start with priming using L'Oreal Infallible Luminizing Primer. I'm basically applying it in the highest points of my face, cheekbones, nose, above my brows. And then I'm gonna go with my favorite foundation, which is Cover FX Custom Cover Drops in shade N20. This is such a beautiful finish. It's really lightweight. It is matte, but it's more like a soft matte. And I know it looks a bit more, I don't know, pale than my neck, but I promise it's the right shade. It's just like the light that was a bit weird. After that, I'm going with the same concealer I used to prime my eyelids, and this is how I realized I need more concealer because this one is basically empty. To set my concealer in my face, I'm gonna use Maybelline Fit Me Matte Plus Poreless in shade 105 Natural Ivory. I don't use that much on my face because the foundation is already matte. For the bronzer, I'm gonna go with Fenty Beauty Sun Stalker in Caramel Cutie. Again, such a beautiful product, really easy to blend, nice formula, and I think the color is actually really good for me. For the blush palette, I'm going back to my Makeup Revolution blush palette in shade Sugar and Spice. I've used this makeup palette so much, but I still love it and I always go back to it. And yes, I know it looks like I'm applying a lot of blush, but I just want to make sure you can see it on the camera. For the highlighter, I'm using one that I literally got from Poundland. I wanted to make an IGTV using all Poundland makeup, and I found this one that I really love. Now looking back, I wish I had a more like silvery one than a bronzy one. To sculpt my eyebrows, I'm using XX Revolution. It's the clear brow gel basically. I hope they call it the brow gel. Then I'm gonna go with my favorite eyeliner, which is Linda Hallberg Eternal Eyeliner. it's so easy to use. That's why I love it so much, because the applicator is basically amazing. Then for my eyelashes, I'm gonna use Allure, the Exaggerate number 141. For my lips, I'm using a lip liner from LMX Beauty in shade Cupid, and I'm so annoyed I got just one because it was a limited edition one and I really love it, and mine is almost gone basically. I have just a tiny bit left. And for the lipstick, I'm going with L'Oreal and Balmain, the Urban Safari one. It's a really beautiful nude, but I would always apply it with a lip liner basically, not with that one. And this was a makeup tutorial. I tried to keep it really short. I hope you all enjoyed it, and go check my Instagram to see more photos, more makeup looks, and I'll see you next time.